of Africa. We will be looking at their lifestyle, culture, and getting to learn about life through their knowledge and experiences. Before we start, please take the time to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In today's video, we take a look at the island where women make the rules. Located in the Atlantic Ocean off the African coast are the Bijagos Islands, also known as the Boubac Islands, are an archipelago located off the coast of Guinea-Bissau in West Africa. The islands are home to the Bijagó people, an ethnic group with a rich cultural heritage. Women play a vital role in Bijagó society. They choose their husbands, inherit property, and have economic autonomy. All islanders belong to a clan descended from 4 mythical daughters: Orokuma, Ominka, Ogubane, and Oraga. Each clan has certain rights and responsibilities within the community, and these roles are monitored by priestesses known as Okinkas or Balobaras, keepers of the Baloba temple, found in every village. The Bijagó society is a matriarchal society. Women are the ones who choose their husbands and direct many aspects of social structure: the economy, the law, welfare, and spirituality. When a woman wants to choose a partner, she places a large plate of food in front of his house. If the man is willing to accept her proposal, he eats the food. The two of them then return to a hut that the woman has prepared and start their married life there. If the woman one day decides she wants a divorce, she drags her husband's belongings out of the hut, indicating the marriage is no more. Even though the men have some responsibilities in the community like fishing, cleaning, and burning the fields for planting rice, they are still treated like children and are allowed to enjoy more leisure and pleasure time. Meanwhile, the women are in charge of housework, cultivation of crops, covering the houses with straws, educating the children, and taking care of the village temple. The sacred realm is writ large in all aspects of Bijagó life, with ritual and ceremony an essential part of the everyday. There are 100 days per year associated with various ceremonies, many dedicated to maintaining harmony between the human and natural world.